Hello, this is Levi from Fizzcode again, and in this video I'm going to tell you a lot of things about the Power BI mobile possibilities. It many times can happen that you just have your phone and you need a really powerful application to check your data, check your KPIs or your most important data. So let's see how it really works in practice.
Okay, so let's start with the basics, and of course in this case when you're going to check a mobile layout you need to have a Power BI mobile application. So you can easily download it from the Google Play or the App Store, and having downloaded you can just log in with the same account you generally use in Power BI desktop. So if you create a new dashboard, a new report, then you can easily publish it to the cloud. I can show you how. In the file session there is a publish button, and you can select the workspace you want to upload it to, and I upload it to my workspace. And yeah, of course I already done it before, so you have to replace the data set. Then as it published, the entire report will be available from the mobile application as well. When you open a report in your app, it opens in landscape mode with same layout you already designed in Power BI desktop. But what if you would need in mobile a more separated or most focused view where you just want to see the most important data, and you can avoid detailed report focusing on only the most important KPIs and visualizations. So for this purpose there is a special view in Power BI desktop called mobile layout, and having entered here you can see a mobile screen only in portrait mode. So yeah, your anticipation is correct that the existing landscape mode will get another view.
In this case you have to reconsider what you really want, because there are a lot of limitations on your mobile view. Which layout is more important for you, the desktop one or the mobile one? If the mobile one is more important for you, I would strongly recommend to duplicate your existing desktop view, and in the second view you can decrease the sizes of the titles, you can decrease the sizes of your KPIs, and that will allow you to put all the elements closer to each other.
The right hand side of the screen you can see all the elements you've been using in the desktop view, and to each tab has its own collection, and you can separately align all the visuals differently in accordance with the tabs. So not all the visuals are going to be placed here, just pick the visuals and drag them to the working area. For instance, here's a KPI. I can drag them first, but just a small recommendation that we should start with the slicer first, because they affect all the visualizations below. I will put it here in the top. And unfortunately you cannot change the core properties of these layouts. It means the font size, the title and the size of data labels are not amendable. But we are quite lucky because the mobile screen is swipeable, so you will be able to align them vertically. Sometimes you have to consider that which way is yours, that you prefer the size of the mobile layout or the desktop one, because if necessary you can put these KPIs next to each other, but in order to do that you have to decrease the size of the desktop one. So you take the size of these KPIs, you decrease it, for instance, to 17, and now you can see in the mobile layout that these sizes already decreased, so you can already put these two KPIs next to each other. As it is done, you can publish it again to the cloud by pressing the publish button you saved before, then selecting the workspace again. It's successfully uploaded, so let's see what we can see here in the mobile application.
So here we have our dashboard is refreshed. now on mobile. And if we flip the phone horizontally, the layout remains the same, but in portrait mode it shows only the new layout we created before in Power BI Desktop. Being scroll down, it seems quite more usable and much more readable than in the landscape view. It's also possible to expand visualization to focus mode, like in Power BI Desktop. On the top there are some additional icons where we can put it into full screen and we can share the report with other Power BI users. We can also add this report to the favorites, then it's available from that session as well here by clicking on start. And as we are here, just let's grab some more useful features to you. Below there are some useful functions, for instance the Sheets button where you can switch between the report pages, and you can also add comments to yourself and to your colleagues about your insights, tops and so on. And by clicking the three dots you can check further settings. You can reset all the filters to default. You can use the same bookmark functionality is available in Power BI Desktop, so you can store different views and statuses of reports and save them as a bookmark, and these bookmarks can also be used here. You can also make annotations, draw lines, putting stickers and playing with it, and the result can be shared on any platform as an image. To be honest, I don't know if this feature is available on Android devices as well, but please let me know in the comment section. And if you need some more inspiration how to combine mobile layouts, there are some sample reports here. Check them and you can browse many types of reports, financial and HR reports and so on. So feel free to check all of these to get some really great ideas. And through one of these I want to share some more features to you. For instance, there is a really useful built-in functionality in the QA session where you can chat with an AI using natural language expressions. Can be also familiar from the Power BI Desktop features, and you can ask questions and searching for really good insights. You can also add a quick shortcut to this dashboard, for example using Siri and iOS. You can define here a new expression, and here when I'm saying to Siri that open customer profitability sample, that will open automatically this report. In addition, a dashboard reports can be also synced to Apple Watch, and this can be really useful if you're just focusing on KPIs. Yeah, what a great feature using your Power BI on your Apple Watch, and it really works great. So yeah, that was all for today, and if you have any questions just let me know in the comment section, and see you soon guys.